This is the fourth video in a series of videos I'm doing on using Google Chrome on an Android phone. This one is on using a Google search. A Google search is used to find information so that you can read the information about what you're interested in. Okay, so to do that, first of all, we've got to go into Google Chrome. I've already got Google Chrome open and it's on a web page that I've got about using the smartphones. To do a Google search, you can do it one of two ways. What a lot of people do is touch the home button, and if you have the home button set to go to Google, right, the Google homepage, it'll come up and you can type in what you want to search for there. All right. Alternatively, you can with any Google page, any web page open, and by the way, I'll just complete quickly. I won't worry about what this is, but I'll just go. I'll just go back with my back button to that page I was on before. I can also search up here just by typing in at that particular area and searching for something. So let's say I want to search for bricks. If I once again, there's already something highlighted there. If I touch it, I can edit where I want to type in. All right. And when I've touched that, notice the keyboard appears down the bottom here. Okay. All right. I don't want to do that, so I'll get rid of all that, and I want to just type in bricks. BRICKS. Okay. And you'll notice some things come up, like bricks are for fun, for example, for bricks for kids, whatever. If I just want to search for bricks, I then just press the go button down the bottom, and it comes up. In this particular case, it's showing me some bricks, and it's bricks and pavers at various places, and there's various multiple pages for bricks. And if I scroll down, it also gives me, when the Google search, related searches. I'm going to have bricks for Sydney, bricks for Bunnings, bricks for whatever. And at the bottom it says next. If I click next, it'll go to the next page full of bricks. The same thing applies again. If I scroll down, it goes to page 2, then page 3, page 4, etc. All right. So that's basically how you do a search, a Google search from any screen that you're on when you're using Google Chrome. However, one other thing I want to mention. Let's change, instead of saying bricks, we'll say how to make bricks. All right, making bricks. M-A-K-I-N-G, bricks. B-R-I-C-K-S. All right. Yes. So notice it's already got some making bricks from clay. It gives me some suggestions, but that's the one I want. I simply go to that one. All right. Okay. So there's some things about making bricks. All right. And also it's given me some points to how to make bricks, etc. And I can scroll down the various things again. However, I'd like to point out, when you do a Google search, and by the way, we're doing a Google search here, and basically that's the major search that most people use now. When you get the results, it comes up with these ones here. All, video, images, shopping, news, and I think there's a few more. I'll just scroll across here. News, maps, books. In other words, and also then search tools. I'll talk about search tools in a minute. All right. If you want to make your search that you've just done more specific, for example, if it's on all, it shows all web pages to do with making bricks. On the other hand, if I touch on videos, it will now only show you videos of how to make bricks. Same thing applies for images. I touch images, it gives me all the images on making bricks. Same with shopping, same with news, so forth and so on. Okay, slight exception to this one. I'll just go back to all again. All right, I'll scroll across and go to search tools. When I press search tools, notice it gives me then a drop down which gives me any country, right? Any time, or all results. If I touch any country and then just select Australia, all right, country Australia, it's now going to redo the search, and the search won't give me everything for the whole world, but only for Australia. Same thing applies for time. If I touch time, and it says any time, or past hour, or past 24 hours, or past week, or past month, or past year, for example, I do the past week, that will only give me images now for Australia that came up, all that came up in the last week for Australia. And if I went to videos, for example, there's only 2. All right. I don't know what those 2 people have got to do with bricks. But anyway, that's basically it to do with searching. Just the raw part of the searching is simply just typing in the address bar, just typing what you want, okay, and it goes and finds it, all right? And then you follow the links. We'll talk about that in another video, okay? Any questions? Send me an email.